than a moment. But would we be a waste of time? I know I like it when you hold me, but do I wanna call you mine? I swear I'm not trying to lead you on. I promise I'm not lying, I don't know what I want. And I swear I've been weighing these pros and cons, but I'm still nowhere closer to saying what we're not. Do I like you, or do I like the attention? Do I like that you see me when no one else does? Do I like that it's easy to figure you out? If I can have you now, then easy's what I'm about. I think you might be the wrong person, but you found me at the right time. And I don't wanna leave you hurting, so I've been keeping you in mind. I wish I could tell you just how I feel, but I'm just so conflicted I can't tell you what's real. I'm trying to find Cupid, so it's my heart I'll steal, but all these bows and arrows still haven't revealed if I like you, or if I like the attention. If I like that you see me when no one else does. If I like that it's easy to figure you out. If I can have you now, then easy's what I'm about. Do I want you, or do I want the commitment? Do I like that you're near me, or am I indifferent? Do I like that it's easy to be with you now? Still haven't figured out if easy's what I'm about.
Emotional, why do I let you in? Throwing words, I let them hurt, let them under my skin. Where do we go, where do we go from here? How do we wash away the last 4 years? How did you get so cold? Am I the only one who can't let go now, even though we're better off apart? Wear you like a tattoo on my heart, hanging like a broken work of art. Used to be love time until you fucked up. Now I'm just a rose inside the dark, trying to figure out what's in my head. Like trying to put a needle through some thread. After the flames, still wearing your name. All you are is a tattoo on my heart, 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 heart. Is a tattoo on my heart, 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 heart. Blame on you, blame on me, all over nothing. Black and gold, disposable, could have been something. Where do we go, where do we go from here? How do we wash away the last 4 years? How did you get so cold? Am I the only one who can't let go now, even though we're better off apart? I wear you like a tattoo on my heart, hanging like a broken work of art. Used to be love time until you fucked up. Now I'm just a rose inside the dark, trying to figure out what's in my head. Like trying to put a needle through some thread. After the flames, still wearing your name on your wire. Is a tattoo on my heart, 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 heart. Is a tattoo on my heart, 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 heart.
Easy to be misunderstood. No one knows I'm acting every time they're asking. Make them believe that it's all good. Faking smiles and laughing, playing like I'm happy all the time. The girl who can do everything, never bothered by anything. Crying till I can't cry no more. What the hell am I crying for? Keep saying I'm okay, I'm okay. Telling them I'm okay, I'm okay. Even though mascara's running down my face. Really, I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm down on Melrose with my friends. Everybody's smoking, honestly I'm lonely. My mind is somewhere else again. Scrolling through my Insta, don't wanna get into this right now. The girl who's down for anything, go out to forget everything. Crying till I can't cry no more. What the hell am I crying for? Keep saying I'm okay, I'm okay. Telling them I'm okay, I'm okay. Even though mascara's running down my face. Really, I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. Keep telling everyone, leave me the hell alone. Don't need a shoulder to cry on. But maybe I'm confused, only know how to lose. People I got to rely on. The girl who can do everything, never bothered by anything. Crying till I can't cry no more. What the hell am I crying for? Keep saying I'm okay, I'm okay. Telling them I'm okay, I'm okay. Even though mascara's running down my face. Really, I'm okay, I'm okay.